In South Africa, being a motorist doesn't automatically mean you're in the wrong. There's a rule that protects every road user, whether you're driving to work, running a business, or managing a fleet. It's called Audi Alteram Partem. In plain English, this means you must be given a fair chance to be heard. No fines, no enforcement, no consequences without proper notice, time, and the opportunity to respond. That's not opinion. That's how the system is designed to work. R2 was never meant to be pay first, ask later. Before anything escalates, the process must be followed properly. You must be notified, allowed to dispute, and given time to respond or appeal. This rule applies to everyday motorists, company vehicles, fleet managers, and proxies handling traffic matters. At Streetwise Legal Services, we don't shout or guess. We navigate the system the way it was intended. We ensure motorists and businesses are treated fairly, deadlines are respected, and your side of the story is heard clearly, lawfully, and on time. Because on South African roads, justice doesn't start with punishment. It starts with a fair process. If you're unsure where you stand as a driver or a business, don't assume. Get informed, get protected. Secure the right support with Streetwise Legal Services.